Hello everyone, this is Tolani Ngobo, also known as Ngobo 2010 from Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye. I want to give you an update of the Mamelodi Sundowns fans who are on their way to Tunisia from South Africa to watch Esperance versus Mamelodi Sundowns. One of the fans couldn't travel. He was supposed to travel to Tunisia tonight, but he couldn't travel. So here's the update. I've made a video with him. He had a problem at the airport, then Bamchigisa. So yeah, please watch this video. Just comment, like, share the video, and tell us what you think. But yeah, Josie is on his way to Tunisia, but then not tonight. He's going tomorrow. All right, just watch this video. Bafethu Josie couldn't go, but then we have arranged ukuthi ahambe kusasa. So please watch this, follow the subject, and then I'll be interviewing all of them, when they reach Tunisia. So stay tuned. Just watch this video.
Hey guys, how's it? I get a problem. Yo, malawana gathi amare problem mo botlhoko gents. Mara ya tshis. La bona ke na le man.
Ka bo Sandawana ka bokhosi ka boyelo. Sorry mfethu, sorry.
What's that me?
Ha tlhalosetse batho Josie re mo Captain Park no. Re tswa airport re go ntlumo. So Josie o sile ke flight. Apparently
Thank you so much for being on hold.
Okay.
Mr. Okana.
Okay.
So, Okana, I'm really sorry. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, sir. That I will not be able to provide the fare that I have informed you of $1,700, 700 South African rand. You want to come back on the same day?
Yes, please.
On the 13th of
Yes, on Monday.
You want to come back on the same day?
Yes.
Yes.
Monday, or you want to come back?
Yeah.
Okay. Then there is a fare difference there is also a fare difference, sir.
How much is it?
I will let you know.
Okay.
Yes.
But
Give me a minute.
we're changing the flight for Josie. He's no longer flying tonight. He's flying tomorrow. So we're trying to change the flight. So guys,
Botlhoko gents. Mara tla ba right. O sala go Tunisia yona ke aya. Na le ngo wa mpatella wa etlatsa.
Honor Sundowns gadlala le Esperance semi-final stage.
Staying ne semi-final se ke do sa re Ngobo wa etlatsa la mona o tshwere phone o bolela di connection tsa magula la bona le number ya teng ke go kae. Engwe go khole
ke Cape Town. Ke ba mo Cape Town So no, we are on hold now. So they're checking how much must we pay or rate late. So Mfethu must go to Tunisia. He must go to Tunisia. You must 10 hours.
10 hours go Doha. Ke go bona di bomb zele ba di thunta. Le ba re go thuntsiwa di bomb go Doha. Ke go nna ke go utlwa that feeling ya bomb re tu. Angere ka le rutla batho ba le ba di
No mara Doha ke go what a good task.
Oh, ba mafia.
Kana ba reng ke
ba le ke mafia.
No, dina thing man.
Qatar.
Not Qatar man.
Doha ke go ga re botse mo sa ka lebela kwa nna ne ke tsile ke tare ke India pele.
No gona le sharp le ba reng. Go una le di good task.
So Brazil, yeah. Doha ke go ga ngele mbutseng Doha ke go ga
Dubai. Yeah. So if you go Dubai go obetse di good task or ba robatse for 5 hours because on not 10 hours go
10 hours
before you Tunisia.
Go nna swa 10 hours go Dubai guys. La uzo re bang.
It's a lot.
Dubai.
I say Dubai. Doha you go. The comments I want the comments.
Yeah, bana data.
Mara bana le data ba say that shiva. Okay, now we are trying to change the flight. Flight ila na ile 7:30,
Yeah, 10 to 8.
10 to 8.
I was going chill. It's a bit chill.
There's no way. Scoop se las claves las ga here so mo.
Se repi.
Claves la go Tunisia ka Sunday. Emna ne ke le worried ke na no re ke Friday ka tshi.
Go tlile ntha go tsena Sunday ke no bra ka no Sunday go ka Saturday.
Saturday. And ba ka one.
Yeah. So ke tlo fitla gents. Yona no ke mare ke le bontsheng ka ntlhela re mo strateng se sintla koneng la bona. I bona mo ke go di Kempton Park. Ana motho go mo wana tsa male wane mo le.
But we had to stop again so that re khona phone la batho ba network ke re itse network.
Le network se ka khatha mo re stagile ke. And the demons over fetsa. And the demons have a sharp. Let's realize the demand of it or be stay. What I'm going to say time ya uma 4,000 now. Khala se la phone.
Hello?
Yes. Thank you so much for being on hold, sir.
Okay.
3530.
Now what not unfortunate
You have to pay 5,270 Johannesburg, South African rand, sir.
Which one? The one for the first one?
Yes. You have to pay the first one. What I inform you, the system is not allowing you to rebook on the with that price, sir.
And then the second one.
When I done the manual check-in for this manual rebooking for this flight, right?
Now let's go to the second
one.
one.
I'm getting here is 5,270 Johannesburg rand.
Okay,
the second one.
Please check the second one.
And the second one, how much is the second one? Top up for the second one. Hey, but what about the dollar? Ben, look, and when you go to Thata, na bona ben.
Precisely 1.7.
Nicely.
What should I do, sir? Should I go ahead and rebook the flight?
Okay, please check the Konja, you said the second one is 1.7, eh?
I did not got it, sir.
I'm saying you said the second one. It's 1.7, the one for 7:30.
It will be the same price only, sir. The 7 p.m. also will be the same price, and the morning flight also will be the same price, sir.
But it covers the. I mean,
so it covers the return, wasn't it?
Yes, it will cover the return as well. That's what I'm saying you. Right now, if you want to travel, then you have to pay 5,270 Johannesburg rand, sir.
Okay, it's fine. Do that one of 12 o'clock. I will pay it. It's fine.
If you take the 12 o'clock or the 7 o'clock, the price will be the same, sir.
Okay.
You said what time? Is it 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock?
12 o'clock, 12:30 in the afternoon tomorrow.
12, 1 2, ne?
1240.
Oh, okay, 22. All right, no, it's fine.
It's fine.
Let's do that one. The one for.
The total payable amount will be 5,270 Johannesburg rand. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
And then why I change?
You didn't change the return one. The return one is still fine again.
530. You want to change the return one?
No. Don't change it.
Okay, sure.
La mona ngobo te we.
What's about accommodation?
Yeah, ka wela go bona. Yeah, ka bushi, yeah. So guys, la bona entse re di game re sokola bjang. Sometimes di carrots no di thula fela.
Aba fetsa ba re ne ke di custard eaters.
Yeah, na re custard eaters. Little re custard eaters. Ra zama.
No, 5,000 more because of ushile flight. 5,000. And off fitla kwa ebe Sundance fitla kwa ijiwe kwa. So re ba ire sure ba win those guys. Masanda wana. Are we in Masanda wana? Hope at the way the shells in Chibutu shells a buy.
755
What a rubbers queen, no.
We well as Sundance.
Because of Rowella or Adams more. Adams, America more, the well winning you. Emona Pascal Betawa. Can give
just like what get la raba ke re lo khwale le la bolela China se le
Arcata, give me to
yeah bitumelo yeah ke khatha bona So amboze me uthunya di bomb go khatha orange elo dia thunya ke nyo utlwa bomb e thunya da because I think ya ona ntse rutwa uthunya di fertility
ke mo re take papa atle ga ke mo papa atle
marabo
I'm sending you the payment thing, okay, on your email address.
all right sharp
baba no
did you send it or you still sending
email ka shiva checking email yeah bar romele email tla le maebanyana maybe ka re yo tlhae futsa le price
maybe 5,000 you tlo well 3,000 oh when I got me that money daman tla
aru daman na ru okomva so la email le bem
asena go mo
bar ke na le ma tlo wa itse ke na le mfana ke na le Ncobo 2010 o re ke mo hashtag
Ncobo 2010
yeah mo tag ka Ncobo ke tag Ncobo nyawona no tag Ncobo
zoom mona follow mona ba control
khala o pressa mo one change ntso o itokella yona self asanga ka no ka one floor kwena o phela ntso o ira dilo le last
what are your viewers are mra are ko ya back
anta to ba
mana ona ntwila
ina mi bra
Cosmo how about agree inyaka heke bohetse le nna ka bohetse
oh yeah
in fact ke bohetse live
o ipohetse dimane ene ka mo busy o bolela batho go kai ba go doha
are bereke bano bafethu thank you so much ke kopa le subscribe to Ncobo 2010 Sharp Eye ke taba ke ba interview ya majita ba le ka ntlhela Ncobo 2010 Sharp Eye you can follow
Give me some time, sir.
all right no problem when emanyana when re subscribe le di viewers mo re sa nyaka re batho ba subscribe
o tsene mo hanonda
don't enter me inside of my mouth all right
ana timing
bafethu thank you so much bafethu for supporting Josie Shu na kanjani o stagile mashu stagile bokolo ya disinditse re but then kausane wa tsama so re busy we are on hold right now we are fixing taba ho re tlisa kre flighting kausane so stay tuned I'm going to interview him hafi takwa so please follow Ncobo 2010 Sharp Eye Facebook and YouTube subscribe ke mahala just click the subscribe button or ya go Facebook and then one or follow button then ke tlo mo interview a fitla le majita mang Oscar le mang
Oscar o faile le braste din tsai tse ding tse two
yeah
so the one is that a chori whiskey mo mara flight ana nago but already bag Oscar ke sa re tla whiskey go now
exactly
hey Oscar itse ke ana la
so yeah so no we are still busy no na le hour re busy no ke 42 minutes no earlier on maybe 30 minutes yeah
time one
yeah there are almost 2 hours but bafethu na kanjani Josie will be there we are busy trying then no one charges more v but then it's okay for the life of the game is going there
na mara khale din share flight like le ka se ke flight go Japan guys
wa share flight wa share le moropa la ko
USA ile ka share ke direct flight ya go Tokyo go Japan ke na le general Brazil renze mola
yana ushia
re ne re le 4 ibile le mzekeze mana mzekeze go bara pura green
yeah alsanda wa
ne re le 4 o mongwe ke sa opela ne le ma so yeah
so
re go Osaka le rena re ntse mola ba flight a bona ke a bo 2 o'clock ya rena ke a ona di ya change
oh yes
ya rena ke a change ka 10 o'clock so ke rena ya mathomo change so rena like ke le bone ya how pass ntweng a ka lebella ticket a ke bone ya hao e re 2 o'clock a bona mo 2 o'clock la bona 2 o'clock
Candiel nega early.
ke botsa general ke re tse a ke bone passport ai passport a ka sharp re namela ka 2 ya ka ke bone re 10 ke wa ga re ke nna ke le wana ke ka buy ka didimala ya
Kale tsama ka 10.
ile ne ka mo makota to 10 ke re ne man re ke lebele diteng ka re kopela ya hao hai ke tsaya le na re 10 le o le re 10 re ke le mo re share re ba bolela China zwa
It's almost done, sir. Give me some time, okay?
No
I'm
problem.
just creating a payment link for you.
Okay, sharp.
ke o sena le wa bolelang China ba re ba bolelang English jo
Imagine, bro.
jo re ntse kwa le
So
ba
at least le ba botse le reng.
a re ra tlhalosa da metse mona nna mata ba le ba 2 o'clock ba ba re feta ba yona mela ba re tloela re le fokwa ra namela ka bo ra ira tsona
So le realize tsena go mang gore ile sile.
na ka bo na ke jambile ona ka bo 9:30 my name something gara se sharp mara ke ntse ke botsisa
Yeah.
so Thomas Egna kwela instead of kids ya ke ba tlhoela ke tsamaya
Exactly.
ke re no ne ora ra nka sa message team group ile ba letsa
La
male le
Juda,
50
la
le
Juda.
50 mara ya ya lo re 10 o'clock a ka ra banjuta diamonds ra sala da ida na metsana go mang re bo 10 o'clock e boshigo ona go
Mara la
Japan
patela vi.
mola no patela team na ne se re mara ba patela se sile nna ke tsi weba ba re patelisa ba patela yeah so guys e shushia ke flight o ka re ke di tsa ka
Ya ro twa That's how sal.
e mo jilo ba go Dubai ke na le go re tlhal jeri le like was same story
Mona
but just didn't just check nthunyalena le checking di ticket tsa lena tsa flight we check o lebelle o re tshwana le everything e tshwana le passport a hao le nako ska ya ka ya chumia ka rona le ena ya high right ya lebella ya hao a tsa sota sala ka sala Dubai ka ira no same story sera tlatsa
Mona a ba tlhalosetsa di followers tsa gore wa go setsa.
yeah gents later why ke setse mar ke le botse mar ke sa distegeng
Yeah, ladies also.
this thing ya middle name and le ladies ne yeah this thing ya di last name
Yeah.
le first name yeah nna ke loketse fela nna ka lokela ka ke na le maina me 2 ke loketse maina me 2 go la bofelo kwa le state ke lokele se name nna ke loketse my second ke loketse lena so different one.
Did you got any email from the Qatar Airways?
Email
Did you send it?
so guys e re ke check in email la bona di deng ngai fele and then re busy le brama manga mashaite
Check email.
re ke tsene go di emailing ke bo.
Thank you, Afeti. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, we managed to get a flight for Ujosi. He's flying out to Tunisia on the 10th of April 2026 at 20 to 1. At least he got a flight. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep on updating you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. And also on the Facebook, just click this follow button and make sure that we are growing. Thank you so much. Each other.